Hello everyone. How to become a data engineer? Yes, a simple three-step process to become a data engineer, a cloud engineer, one of the trending and much happening job profile nowadays. Firstly, we need to start with SQL Server. We need to step into SQL Server concepts, particularly joins, group by, merge statement, upsert activities, incremental loads, date time functions, and rank functions. Then we shall proceed for the Azure data engineer and big data concepts, right from the Azure fundamentals to storage, data lake, synapse, data factory, data bricks, and active directory, key vaults, monitoring, metrics, Internet of Things, IoT hubs, event hubs, stream analytics, and so on. Finally, we need to learn and enjoy Power BI into big data analytics. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice oriented lectures. We assure you 100% practice orientation with real time project. You may opt for the live training or on demand videos. Either live training or on demand videos, the same content, same curriculum, same concept. Right from the scratch, we'll do it in a careful way. For registrations, For registrations and further details, you may contact our team that operate 24/7. Come on, join us for a free demo. Understand how it goes. Then you decide to join the course. Thank you so much.